This video tutorial will provide you with an understanding on how to add or delete forms within the AccuTax software. Once you have created a tax return, click the Add Form button found in the Tax Return toolbar to open the All Forms and Schedules window. With the All Forms and Schedules window open, a list of navigation tabs will appear. The navigation tabs are the Federal tab, the Index tab, the Pro Forma tab, the State tab, and the Depreciation tab. Select the appropriate navigational tab and add the form by scrolling down the Forms list, or by entering the schedule or form number in the Schedule Form Number box field at the bottom of the window. Once you have selected your form, press Enter or double-click the form to add it to the return. For best practice, it is recommended that you enter in all income sources first, such as W-2s, 1099s, and other related income forms. If you select the Federal tab, the W-2 form will be highlighted by default. The Federal tab. The Federal tab displays all federal forms that can be added to the tax return. The Index tab. The Index tab shows the forms in alphabetical order by description, allowing to search by the tax form's name. The Tax Pro Forma tab. The Pro Forma tab shows attached forms from the previous year's tax return. The State tab. The State tab displays forms used to prepare state returns. Select the state from the Available States drop-down menu, and the state forms will be available to add to the tax return. The Depreciation tab. The Depreciation tab provides access to the depreciation asset forms needed to complete a return that needs depreciation. Delete a form. To delete a form, select the form from the Forms Attached tree list and right-click the highlighted form and select Remove Form. After watching this video, you should now understand how to add or delete a form. Check out our many in-depth training video tutorials in the AccuTax University Library.